सो मैंने लिया है iPhone 14 Pro Max जो कि आज आया है एंड ये मेरा हो गया है दिवाली गिफ्ट. सो लेट्स ओपन इट.
And it's a 14 Pro Max Gold 256 GB.
Very nice.
Yep. So we will remove the seal in the box. Bobby ji ka naya phone. Happy Diwali to you, Bobby.
Same to you. Thank you. Thank you.
There you go.
Beautiful.
It's a beautiful phone. It's gold color. 14 Pro Max. Bobby. There you go.
Open करो.
Phone 14 Pro Max came up with a USB-C lightning cable and
One Apple logo, I guess.
it's basically like a product manual. It has a pin inside it to open the SIM chamber, and adapter needs to be bought separately. So we will be using our adapter which we had earlier, because we will be upgrading Bobby's phone, because she had the iPhone 11, which is this one. So this is iPhone 11 green she has, which she really loves, and has matching accessories and a nice Tiffany bag as well. And now she's upgraded to this one.
Both are beautiful. बहुत सुंदर है दोनों. So मेरे पास ये फ़ोन था पहले एंड ये मुझे बहुत पसंद है. दिस कलर इज़ अमेजिंग. मुझे बहुत पसंद है.
एक और फ़ोन आने वाला है अभी, इसमें थोड़ा टाइम है. आई थिंक इट विल टेक 2 weeks approximately, because yesterday I also ordered one 14 Pro Space Black 256 for myself.